Here we are with the moose. Mr. Moose. We have Mr. Oliver and Mr. Bugsy. What's that, Bugs? Is that a moose? Did you say moose? Moose. Moose. Can you blow him kisses? Kisses to the moose. What do you have to say, sir? Can you blow kisses? Yeah. That's the moose. He's a big moose. Uh-oh. Did you lose your hat, Bug? Did you lose your hat? Bug? Can you say hi? Hi. Hi, Ollie. Ollie, can you say hi? Hi. One of you can say hi at least. I know both of you can. Hi, Ollie. Hi. Can you say hi, Buck? Hi. Mama, moose. Who's back there? Are you trying to see each other? Yeah, hi, Ollie. You say Ollie? Maybe if you guys didn't kick each other last time, maybe we could have turned you around. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good boy, Ollie. Bye-bye, Bug.